faces. All of it's fake when I walk in this place with a mask on my face, and I can't escape it, I can't erase it, so I'ma embrace it. I'm not gonna take it off for y'all.
School assemblies, a chance to inspire, educate, and engage your students. But what if I told you there is a better way to do it? Think about it. Your students spend hours a day on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and they don't seem to get bored, but they can't sit in class for 30 minutes. Why? Well, because those videos are engaging, they're dynamic, and they're ever changing, and they are custom made to the attention span of the audience. So imagine combining the best of both worlds. The powerful message of a school assembly with the engagement of online content. I'm an influencer, so I understand how to do this. With my pre-recorded custom assemblies, it's not just me in front of a camera. It's a multi-dimensional experience. I'm talking it's a movie, animation, story, striking visuals that keep students hooked every 3 to 4 seconds. It's always engaging because research shows that visuals enhance learning. So with all the on-screen graphics and data and things popping up left and right, we're taking educational impact to a whole new level. Custom made for this generation. Look, I understand that you still want the feels of that in-person assembly, but all of those assemblies are fleeting, no matter how good they are. Imagine if you could have access to that assembly for a whole year, revisit multiple times, ensuring that your kids got the message. You could send it to their parents. They could be a part of the journey. Send out the link, get them involved and on board with the mission and the vision of your school. And principals, here's the best part. No travel, no hotel, no rental car, all the impact, just a fraction of the cost. So, educators, let's redefine the way that we inspire. With the same heart, the same message, but now more engaging, more accessible, more impactful than ever before. If you're interested, please fill out an intake form on our website. Someone will reach out to you shortly. We will gather the information on how to customize your school assembly. So go to www.jaredscottspeaks.com, fill out an intake form, and we will reach out to you shortly.